Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. If it's your first video, you know what to do here, guys. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and drop a comment. Alright guys, so I'm actually not at work today. It's a work day, but as you guys can hear, my voice is gone. My sinus has been acting up because of all the smoke in the environment right now, because of the wildfires and stuff. So because of that, my sinus is really giving me a lot of issues. Yes, but nonetheless, despite how I'm feeling, you know, the show must go on. So as many of you guys would have known already, I do a settlement services business where I help new immigrants who are coming to Grande Prairie, and in some cases Edmonton, on a case-by-case basis, to find an apartment, to pick them up from the airport, to take them around, to get their documents, stuff like those. Because a lot of new immigrants don't know anyone, so having somebody on the ground can be really helpful. So that's why I do what I do. So I'm actually on the way right now to go and check out an apartment for a client who's coming to Grande Prairie. It's a one-bedroom apartment, and this is the only one that we could find right now because for some reason there's absolutely no available apartments in Grande Prairie at this moment in time. I think there's a huge influx of persons discovering Grande Prairie, coming to Grande Prairie, and because of that, the city is not really yet at a point where it is able now to integrate all these persons at the same rate, at the same pace, right? So apartments are beginning to get a little bit scarce. Prices are starting to go a little bit up because, of course, demand and supply, that's how it works, right? So with that being said, we were able to find an apartment for viewing. Gonna go and see. I don't know what it looks like. I've never been to this apartment complex before, so I can't judge it based on other units. So I'm keeping my fingers crossed that it's good enough for what the person needs. Now, there's no perfect apartment, right? Sometimes you're fortunate to get 90% of what you want. Sometimes you have to settle with 60 or 50%, and just have a list of things that you are not going to compromise on per se, but be flexible as well, right? Be flexible as well. What I would like to tell you guys as well, guys, is when you are coming to Canada as a student, worker, or any other purpose, and you know that you're gonna need an apartment, be proactive. Don't start looking for an apartment a week or 2 weeks before landing. It's gonna be more difficult to find an apartment. The average time I would suggest is within a month and a half timeline. So if you're landing mid-August to the ending of August, you should be looking for an apartment now or within the next 2 weeks at least, to make sure that you are setting up yourself for success, right? So that would be my suggestion. Now, of course, prices of apartments varies based on the luxury of the apartment, the amenities, what it offers. There can be price differences between apartments. And bear in mind also that the prices that you guys are hearing on this channel is predominantly based in Alberta. Each province has a different mechanism of how they calculate cost of living. So also bear that in mind, guys. This is strictly based on the province of Alberta. What I found as well is that most cities in Alberta operate on a similar scale in terms of what the average price is like. Apart from Calgary, which is the biggest city in Alberta, and a lot of persons are migrating to Calgary, especially from Ontario and other parts of Canada. So what you have mass migration, both internationally but also domestically, for persons who are coming to Alberta, and those persons are seemingly choosing Calgary. So prices in Calgary might be a little bit higher than other parts of Canada, other parts of Alberta. All right, guys, so come along, guys, enough talking. Tell me what you think about the apartment. Really interested to know, would you take it? Let me know in the comment section. All right, guys, see you in a bit. And it's on the main floor? Oh, it's up.
Yeah, on the 3rd floor.
Gotcha. Well, at least there's an elevator.
Oh, yes, it's nice.
So that's good. And does it come with in-suite laundry or?
Yeah.
Perfect.
Yes, it is nice to have for sure.
Okay. Okay, 203.
Yeah.
Perfect. And is it a 2-bed or 1 bed?
One.
1 bed, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And this is the final, any work to be done or anything like that?
No,
Or this is it?
it's ready to go.
Ready to go.
Yeah.
Washer dryer. This washroom. And what was inclusive of rent again?
Heat and water.
Heat and water, okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
We got a dishwasher, okay. Not bad. And if I'm not mistaken, I think my wife said the price was 12.
$12.25.
$12.25, okay. And parking is just.
It's just in the lot, right? So I don't know exactly where her stall would be, but
Okay, no, that's fine. And guess this is a bedroom.
yeah, bathroom or bedroom, bathroom.
Bathroom. It's not bad at all.
No, it's a cute little unit.
Okay. And how many floors does this apartment have again?
4.
4.
Yeah.
Is it one of those apartments that when somebody's jumping up top, you're like, oh, it's an earthquake?
No, so it's actually a concrete building. So
Yeah.
there's concrete slabs in between the person above you, below you,
Yeah.
and to the sides. So it's quite quiet. The only time you might hear some noise, right? I mean, it's not like 100% soundproof, but it is very soundproof.
Of course, nothing is 100%
Exactly.
soundproof.
But sometimes you'll hear something through the door, right? Most commonly when someone's in the hallway being too loud or whatever.
And is it are we the first person to look at it, or is it pending?
At this moment, we don't have a ton of applications for the unit.
Okay.
So if you do get an application filled out soon, then there's a good chance you'll get it. But things are going really, really quickly. Like I had to call her and tell her the first unit she was going to look at is gone. So I mean, things are going fast.
That is true. That is true.
So.
Okay.
If she gets. So there is these hinges here. I'll just help open the door because sometimes it can be.
Do I have to kick it open?
No. It's for added security.
I gotcha.
Even though I'm sure no one's gonna climb up to the 3rd floor.
Oh, this is pretty. I'm not sure if I trust this.
Oh, they're stable.
Are you sure?
Oh, yeah. You want me to go first?
I'm not planning on dying today.
I'll go first if you want.
Whoa, you're a brave girl.
Yeah, well, these are stable.
Does it feel a little bit rocky though? Well, probably just not level.
Yeah.
Okay. It's a nice view.
Yeah.
And parking is just right down there.
Yeah, right here.
I said,
Yeah.
you can see all of Grande Prairie from up here. Big city of Grande Prairie. Come on. Thank you. I think that's it. Oh, I didn't look at the bathroom fully. And there's no closets or anything. I noticed that there's no closet. Oh, there is. Okay, there is. Okay. Perfect. Okay. Yes, guys, so I just went to look at that apartment, right? Drop a comment, guys. Let me know what you think about it. Did you like it? Did you not like it? What about the price? Was the price too expensive? Was the price okay? If you didn't hear, the price is actually $1,225, right? What do you guys think? Right now, bear in mind, guys, that this is Alberta, this is Grande Prairie, and that's also one apartment building. So not everywhere is the same price, right? But yeah, let me know what you think. Now, before I leave, guys, I just want to say I'm outside. Sorry for that loud noise. I just want to say thank you to all the persons who have subscribed to this channel. The new subscribers, welcome. Thank you guys for being a part of the DiAndersons family. We really love, we really appreciate every single one of you guys. I really hope that you guys find value in our content that will cause you guys to stay here, cause you guys to share the channel with your friends and family, cause you guys to just interact with us when we post our videos, right? I know that you guys have a lot of options when it comes on to what content you watch. Where do you get information? Where do you get entertainment? Where do you spend your time? So the fact that you guys are spending it here with us on the DiAndersons channel, on the DiAndersons platform, we just want to say thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And if you're watching this and you're not yet subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. It really helps me out. I'm trying to get to 10,000 subscribers, but I can't do it without you guys. Please help me get to over 10,000 subscribers. Send the channel to your friends, send the channel to your family. Ask them to just subscribe if Canada is their goal, right? They have to be interested in the content. That is what's going to cause them to stay here. All right, guys? Thank you again for watching this video. I really hope it was informative, or at least entertaining, or at least whatever you'll find of value. And yeah, before you leave, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and definitely drop a comment. All right? See you guys in the next video.